Sometimes you need to run a particular command on a running container, perhaps to check where some files are located or to see their contents. In this quick tips episode, you will learn how. Keep watching! Hi there! I'm Manuel Gutierrez from thelighthouse.co, and in this quick tips series, I will share snackable videos focusing on just one feature or problem. So if you're new here, hit the subscribe and the bell notification buttons below so you don't miss a thing. Let's start! For this video, I will be using a Jenkins image as an example. So let's first download it by using Docker pull. Then I will use one of the suggested ways to run the instance and do it in the background. If you missed the container ID, you can just type docker ps to find it. For executing a command in a running container, we first type docker exec. Then we specify that it is an interactive session, the container ID, and then the command that we want to execute, in this case, bash. Then, inside the bash session, you can execute commands like listing the current files or folders at a specific location, or printing the contents of a particular file that stores the initial admin password so that we can initialize our new Jenkins instance. You can also execute those commands without initiating a bash session. Awesome! Congratulations and thanks for watching! You can join the free mini course associated with this video by clicking on the link in the description below. Share any comments or suggestions about the series or future topics. And if you like the video, also hit the like button below.